Okay, that's right.
No.
You don't want to say anything about me? Okay, thanks.
She'll take you.
Hi, Vakafala. I'm Kate's now
Working mom. Hi, this is Deepika and I work as a business manager.
Hi, Workafella. I'm Swati.
What do you remember about the phase when you first became a mother?
It was purely a overwhelming experience because I need to start it from the scratch.
Yes, I remember when I first became a mother. Happy one.
I'm a classical dancer. I perform and I have a dance school. I see every student or every kid of mine as mine, which means I'm a mother to them as well.
It was extremely emotional. Couldn't believe it was not really sinking in, right?
It was a mixed emotion. To an extent, I was very much exhausted. It was very much joyful.
Well, when I look back, that phase was physically draining, but emotionally very happy. The first smile.
What did that transition into motherhood feel like for you personally?
Personally, I have become more confident.
What actually being a mother is.
Yes, it was very tough for working mom. It was not that much easy. Personally, it had a lot of responsibilities.
The very purpose of attaining motherhood fulfilled my life.
The process was good because I was looking forward, but though I was looking forward for it, it had its own phase of going down, going up.
What does being a mother mean to you today in your own words?
Yeah, as I said earlier, I've become more confident.
Putting my best self across each and every single moment of my life, right? Like,
The person, yourself, or anything, I just push off the negative side and try to see the positivity and try to live with that.
Absolutely, I am becoming a child to my son. Currently, he is guiding me on a lot of things.
How do you see yourself now as a woman and as a mother? Has that shifted over time?
Yeah, as I said earlier, I've become more confident.
I have become more confident and stronger.
in a girl's life, like, there are so many different stages, and every stage involves us to be very different, right? Like, in every stage.
Yeah, I was a very irresponsible child. I was very laid back and pampered, over pampered to be honest. But after this motherhood, after I became mother, thinking about how to take care of the children, how to provide for the family, what to do. Thinking about what best things that I can give for my children. I feel the motherhood has brought in the best mom in me, or the best.
What's something motherhood has taught you that shows up in how you handle responsibilities?
Very naive, and I don't know how to handle the pressure.
It has taught me more patience, unconditional love.
So be responsible and be powerful.
Motherhood has taught me how to be patient.
How do you see yourself now as a woman and as a mother? Has that shifted over time?
Emotionally, I'm more stronger. There's a very big shift on that. What I felt is initially, even a small mistakes, or there'll be a lot of guilt.
What's something motherhood has taught you that shows up in how you handle responsibilities?
Being a mother, in my own words, means a world to me.
The postpartum phase is that phase which I think not a lot of people talk about, and even women.
The person, yourself, or anything, I just push off the negative side and try to see the positivity and try to live with that.
In simple one word, it's guilt. As a mom, as a working mom, I miss a lot of cute little valuable time, quality time with my kid.
Have there been any moments you have felt torn between different roles? What helps you navigate that?
I will be in that scenario because to an extent, yes, of course, everybody are strong.
Always need not try to be 100% best as a mother. We have to accept that there are imperfections and there are flaws. As mother, in this journey, it's okay to make mistake. It's okay to be, lazy and skip.
I understood I'm a very patient mother.
I don't think we women do this enough, pat our back.
How has motherhood changed or not changed? How you see yourself as a person?
So I've become emotionally independent now. I've become very agile. And I don't know, I discovered so much of physical strength.
In our family, it's not changed a lot because I am my mother's friend.
It's all his own decision. So, lot of places our support is not even required. So, almost we are free now.
What does work mean to you at this stage of your life?
Work means balancing independence. First, importantly, it's independence, growth, helping my partner.
Being with the kids. அதுதான் என்னோட work.
So it's about happiness on a daily basis, and work for me at this stage of my life is something that keeps me happy and keeps my cup full.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Father's Day. Happy Mother's Day.